Hello children. Today let us study about the lesson Vijayanagara Empire. Vijayanagara Empire was ruled in the year 1336 to 1646. The establishment of Vijayanagara Empire was a landmark in the history of India. Why it was a landmark? Because there was a constant attack or the regular attack by Alauddin Khilji on the southern side of the dynasties like Yadavas of Devagiri, Hoysalas of Dwarasamudra, Pandyas of Madurai, Cholas of Tanjore, and Kakatiyas of Warangal. Why Alauddin Khilji was attacking these dynasties? In these circumstances, the Vijayanagara Empire was established by Hariyara and Bukkaraya in the year 1336 on the bank of the river Tungabhadra and made the Hampi as its capital. Now these were the dynasties attacked by the Alauddin Khilji. That is Yadavas of Devagiri, Hoysalas of Dwarasamudra, Pandyas of Madurai, Kakatiyas of Warangal, and Cholas of Tanjore. Now this is the Vijayanagara Empire. Vijayanagara Empire. Now the Vijayanagara Empire was ruled by four dynasties. That is Sangama dynasty, Salva, Tuluva, and Aravidu. Sangama dynasty was ruled from 1336 to 1486 and Salva dynasty was ruled from 1485 to 1505 and Tuluva dynasty was ruled from 1505 to 1567. Aravidu dynasty was ruled from 1570 to 1646. These were the four dynasties was ruled the Vijayanagara Empire. Sangama dynasty, first ruler was Hariyara first and he was succeeded by Bukkaraya and he was succeeded by Hariyara second. Then Hariyara second was succeeded by Devaraya. Devaraya second or Prouda Devaraya. Then Salva dynasty, it was ruled by Salva Narasimha from year 1485 to 1491 and after his death his sons were minor and it was to the hands of the Tulva Narasanayaka who was the commander in the army of Salva Narasimha. Tulva Narasimha ruled from 1491 to 1503 after the death of Salva Narasimha. And after that after the death of Tulva Narasanayaka, his son succeeded him. He was Veera Narasimha Nayaka. Veera Narasimha Nayaka ruled from 1503 to 1509. And Veera Narasimha Nayaka was succeeded by Krishna Devaraya, famous king of Vijayanagara Empire in the year 1509. After Krishna Devaraya, he was succeeded by his two sons and after his two sons were not efficient ruler, he was succeeded by the Aravidu dynasty ruler, that is Aliya Ramaraya and Ramaraya. After the death of Ramaraya, the Aravidu dynasty ruled from 1570 to 1646. These were the dynasties ruled by Vijayanagara Empire, that is Sangama, Saluva, Tuluva and Aravidu dynasty. Now, Hariyara first was the first ruler of the Sangama dynasty and he extended his empire from river Kaveri to river Krishna and he was succeeded by Bukkaraya and Bukhara was succeeded by his son Kampana, who defeated the Sultan of Madurai, and this victory was written in the Madura Vijayam by his wife Ganga Devi, and he was succeeded by Haryara II. And Haryara II, after the Haryara II, the rulers were not efficient and they were not strong enough to fight the enemies, and he was succeeded by Devaraya the second. Devaraya II ruled from 1424 to 1446. Devaraya II, here he was the significant ruler. He was famous ruler of the Vijayanagara Empire, and he was also known as Prauda Devaraya. He defeated the king Gajapati Kapilendra of Orissa and sieged Kondavedu, and he attacked Orissa and took the Kondavedu into his kingdom. Then he expanded his kingdom up to Krishna river to the northeast. He expanded his kingdom to the northeast here, and he defeated the Kerala ruler, and with the help of his commander Lakkana Dandesha, and he won the titles, he earned the titles Dakshinapatada Chakravarti, Chatur Samudradishwara, Ariraya Vibhada, Gajaventigara. These were the titles earned by the Devaraya II, and he was tolerant towards all the religion. He built the mosque, Vaishnava temples, and also Jain temples. He appointed all the religions, all the people belong to all the religion. That is, there were soldiers in his army. Then they were Muslims, Jains, all the caste. He appointed them as a soldier in his army. This was about the Devaraya II. He was efficient ruler, defeated the king Gajapati Kapilendra of Orissa and seized Kondavedu, expanded his kingdom up to the Krishna river to the northeast, defeated Kerala and Sri Lanka ruler with the help of his commander Lakkana Dandesha, and he was tolerant towards the other religions. He also built the Jain temples, mosques, and Vaishnava temples. He appointed Muslim soldiers in his army. And now after the Devaraya, other rulers who were succeeded him were weak rulers. So the Salva dynasty came to the power. It was ruled in the year 1485 to 1505. Salva Narasimha was the ruler. After he became the ruler, he ruled the Salva dynasty from 1485 to 1491. That is, he ruled for 6 years. Then his sons were minor. It went to the hands of the Tulva Narasanayaka. He ruled from 1491 to 1503, and he was succeeded by Veera Narasimha Nayaka in the year 1503 to 1509. After the death of Veera Narasimha Nayaka, Krishna Devaraya ascended the throne in the year 1509. These were what you studied in this class. That is about the introduction about the 4 dynasties and about the Devaraya II, Salva Narasimha, and Tulva Narasanayaka, Veera Narasanayaka, and later we'll study about the Krishna Devaraya in the next class. Thank you, children.